provides students with enriching opportunities to interact with distinguished professionals and industry leaders.
We are honored to welcome Mr. Hamish Dunn, who works as a recruitment manager for the Faculty of Medicine at the University of Melbourne.
Mr. Dunn brings over 14 years of global experience, having worked in diverse markets including India, Hong Kong, South Korea and Japan.
Here is a glimpse of this interaction session. Take a look.
I'm going to teach all of you a little bit about the human brain, about how that works. We have these different types of neurotransmitters. Is the main excitatory neurotransmitter in the brain. I can tell just by looking at that zombie, certain parts of its brain aren't working. We know what sort of zombie we're focusing on. The dumb zombie that lumbers around.
Please tell us the importance of forensics.
Forensics. I'll talk about forensics from the perspective of health. Forensics, I think, is very important because it can bring around change in profound ways we never thought possible. For example, when people had an accident and died through motor car accident, it was always put down as death by motor car. But through forensics and the curious mind of one particular doctor, we found out that it wasn't just the car accident was killing people. It was the damage to the organs or damage to the brain that was causing these accidents. And it brought around profound change in that now we have cars with seat belts as a result.
Share a message for our students.
Message for our students. I think the most important thing to remember with education as a student is to have fun. If you do something that you enjoy, you will succeed, and that can open up a whole range of opportunities for you as a young adult. So study hard, but most importantly, have fun doing it. And hopefully we'll see you maybe at the University of Melbourne in the future.
We would like to thank our Chairman Sir and Managing Director Madam for providing us with such enriching opportunities that shape and inspire us.
A heartfelt thank you to our esteemed guest, Mr. Hamish, for sharing his incredible journey and insights.
On that note, this is YJ Ayana.
And this is YJ Anushka signing off for Young Journals on Ryan TV.